Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up key mapping on LDPlayer in a quick and easy way. First, open LDPlayer on your PC and let it fully load. Once you are in, launch the game you want to play and wait for it to start properly. Then play the game, and when the game is running, you will see the controller icon on the screen. So now click on key mapping and open it. Now you can easily customize your controls. Just drag and drop the buttons onto the game screen and assign key that feels comfortable for you. Take a few seconds to adjust everything so it matches your play style. It really makes a big difference while playing. Once you are done, save your settings and jump back into the game to test it out. This is super simple and really useful if you want better control while gaming on LDPlayer. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.